Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. I have another journal to share with you, and this is a Curiosities journal. It is a little bit bigger than the Edgar Allan Poe one that I made, which is now also available on my Etsy store and on my channel, but made kind of similar. So this is all cloth bound, but no exposed spine on this one. Field notes documented with some lace and some cloth, and a book page and a little tassel held together with red lace. So this is just going to be a flip through, and this journal, as soon as you see this, will be available on my Etsy store. This is the inside cover. This is a tuck spot for all kinds of stuff. So what have we got here? A playing card, some book page ephemera, a tag. This is an old dictionary page, some lace, and this is a layaway label, but put observations on there. Of course, everything can be removed and replaced with whatever you want. Notes, photos, anything. This is an interesting journal because it has various pages that are different sizes. This one flips out that way. Here is a paperclip that holds together some ephemera and a little book. And on the other side, there's more ephemera, a dictionary page, and a journaling page. Here's a bag that can be removed, which says lost and found, which is held together by a little envelope. There's nothing in there right now, but you can put some private notes in there if you would like. And a journaling page and a tag and a playing card. Here's another page that flips out all the way down for some extra notes or photos. Here's some lace. Another paperclip that holds together ephemera and a booklet. And on the other side it has a journaling tag and another tag there. Here's another fold-out page. And another paperclip that holds a little envelope with ephemera inside, playing card, a tag, and some ephemera on the other side as well. Another fold-out page and a little booklet in there that folds that way. Another baggie and envelope and ephemera on the other side. And this is the last pocket, which has a little booklet, a journaling card, ephemera, a dictionary page, and more ephemera. So, I hope you like this book. I had a lot of fun making this one, and I hope a lot of time and love went into this one. So it's now available in my Etsy shop. Go and have a look if you like. And thanks so much for watching. Stay safe, and I'll see you all in the next one. Bye.